today. It is part 2, or episode 2 of a collab that me and a few of my YouTube friends are doing called The Evolution of Beauty. And we have previously done 3 weeks ago the 1920s, which was really fun. So this is the 1930s. My hair is kind of temporary right now. I'm trying to get like a little bit of wave if I can when I release this, but if not, it might just go back up in this. But it was like their hair was that very glamorous like wave, like with the parts and then like just the soft wave, and most had it to below their shoulders, about right here maybe, you know, that was the hairstyle. But there's like 2 sides to the 1930s. Like I think Hollywood was coming, or just bigger budget movies, but you know, the Great Depression was still going on until I want to say 33, or its height was at the 1933. It was like the lowest point of it. So, you know, if you were poor, like, you know, most of me, you know, you probably didn't really care, but, you know, but then regular day got influenced heavily by Hollywood. If you watch 1920, it was like very caked makeup, and still they wanted your foundation caked on, but they wanted to glow, so they went lighter with the powder. And I'm just going to cake some more makeup on what I got on already and see how it goes. You know, like Chanel was tanning, and swimwear was getting bigger, and going to the beach and everything was like, you know, becoming a bigger thing. So what else to look at? I had a lot of fashion. You gotta go look at like 1930s like evening gowns, like, you know, like red carpet gowns. Look about exactly the same style as you see today, like literally. And that was the decade of the plunge back for women. Like, I mean, plunge back gowns and bathing suits. It's like halter top bathing suits, or even the strap. And it was like one piece, and then it had like shorts with like a little built-in skirt, but I'm talking about like short, like, you know, not like a full-on shirt or skirt, you know. Like cute designs. They had a thing called house dress, which could be like, you know, a lot of them did repurposed dresses and stuff like that. It could be like a repurposed dress, or, you know, cotton, made out of cotton. And you wouldn't wear it outside your house. You had to wear like an afternoon dress to wear outside your house, which is made of silk or crepe or something like that. And that's another thing. They like textured clothing, like they like crepe, and then a very like a yoke collar, or like a dickie, or like you could see a lot of influence of like the naval kind of theme going on in clothing. And that's what I saw, like a lot. Like, and even women were allowed to wear pants, so they'd wear pants to the beach, and they called them beach pajamas. They were like extraordinarily wide leg pants, like gaucho like pants that look like a skirt, but they would button, and they'd have the side sailor buttons, like the 2 side sailor buttons. So that was really interesting to learn. I think we were caked on. Yes, okay. Either plucked all your eyebrows out, or plucked it to high heaven and drew them back on. My eyebrow, okay. Cover these suckers up if we can, if you get caught in the makeup. And most of them had a very... Oh, got my hair, that's nice too. I have long eyebrows. You can do white with this step too, but I don't have any white powder around me. Drag queen for you. Powder. This looks like really tiny. Okay. Lots of coating here, so I agree with this. However, I found kind of used for these things that come in eyeshadow palettes.
They're going smoothly. It's okay to take half my foundation and cover it up. Oh, this looks disgusting, y'all. Like, disgusting. In case y'all didn't know, this looks disgusting. It's like getting my hair this off. Awesome. Ugh, bless. Okay. So,
I don't want this.
contour
tall,
came in
and I don't
because
know
of
if you
Hollywood,
do
of course. So
You get another look.
frightful. Thing.
And I did watch a Sabrina tutorial too.
Okay, almost got
Um,
over there.
So some of this is from her, and then also like one lady that she likes. She had a little beauty video. It's like really neat in the 30s. She had maid wait on her and all this creams and I don't know stuff that she put on is what's her name? Gloris, something like that. I don't know. And blush was usually either like a brownish kind of color or like a peachy color. And a lot of them use cream. And this one woman, and this is back, like she filmed it way back. Get this e.l.f. blush going. And it was like a triangle, like of your cheek, okay? So, I'll hit there. And then up to your temple, basically, like up. Like, they really contoured the forehead. I'm guessing they did. I really don't know. Oh. Tell you, I didn't do my nails, but it was the same thing that I did for the 1920s. So yeah, go look at that, where they would leave the half moon and leave the tip and just paint the middle. But they seem to have more nail polish colors in the 30s, and so they would venture out even in gold and silver and stuff like that. Lips or see, I think you had a lip palette. From BH that was free with an order. Ooh, that looked bad. I think that's a raspberry. That one right there. I'm gonna go into that one. I like the glow. That's why they didn't powder so. I mean, they take it to their temple too. So I wonder where the 80s theme was. That's gonna be a fun genre. And then she actually like blushed a little bit on her chin. That one lady I watched. I'll link Sabrina's video down here.
okay with overdrive, draw like nice lips though.
Anyway, bright reds were later in the decade. They liked raspberries and new soft pinks. But anyway, their nail colors usually matched what their lip was. Cupid's bow thing. Melty.
Okay.
They like overdrew just a little bit, but it's more of a straight line and like rounded. So we're just gonna do that. Though my lip is like already really full, but yeah. And I'd go all the way to the end, unlike in the 20s.
Bella Pierre one, which actually works really good.
Heavy. Influence on the Cupid's bow. Sirius, I don't need you in my lap while I'm doing this. No, he's gonna come anyway. I think my lips might be naturally shaped like that anyway. I don't know.
He's the first one, Jason.
Alright, tasty. You're being difficult today. No.
Some glue. That's awesome. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Feel very Cruella to feel. Okay, that's as good as that's going to get. Interesting thing is that, you know, they got away from the goth black eye thing, or zombie eyes really, and started experimenting with more color. Now, while they used like purples, blues, greens, and still a little bit of black, but you know, those kind of colors, it was like a sheer wash of color. That might be as good as it's going to get. Okay. Okay.
And they were like working us all the way up there, basically almost to the brow bone. Cats right here, right there.
Okay, we use the same one. I'm going to a different. No, never mind. I'm just gonna use the red. I'm gonna use the Lust shade and maybe a little bit of the brown. What they would do is they would just place that like just right in the crease,
Like, give your eye like a little sunken appearance, basically. I already had that, you know, whatever.
Dude, you have to be in everything right now. Like,
Why are my eyebrows like wearing off? So you think cut creases have the... What was that? They're starting in the 30s. And then where that lust in the crush, because then they would go,
goes, okay. Like,
how part of that, and just do kind of that.
all right. Okay, here is the finished look. I went for a little bit more casual, like they like the very detailed necks, and I saw the V-neck a lot, and then like closest I could get to a puff sleeve. They did the puff sleeves a lot, or shoulder pads, actually. So again, 80s. But yeah, So, because I don't have a little fur thing to wear.
And then they would like
So if
elongate
you was
it.
fancy, you had little fur capey thing. So I went with this because I like detailed little tops, things like that. So anyway, be sure to check out the other girls. It is Amy, Sarah, Jessica, and Summer, and they will be linked down below.
Taking it from
So
this side.
yeah. So thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. And in 3 weeks we will be doing the 40s, and I can't wait to see what everyone's going to do then. And yeah, I could kind of get a little bit wet.
Hi, Boo.
My hair was not cool,
What is Mama doing?
and my eyebrows are already coming back. So I'm gonna get out before they do. And so thank you for watching, like, and subscribe. Toodles.